Hello everyone, my name is Layla Ahmed and my student number is 1007-019432, and today I'll be examining an article called Differential Modeling of Carbon Reduction in Consumers by Liu Liang and Li Futu. This paper aims to view the impact of carbon reduction on market demand over time by analyzing the relationship between low carbon reference and product goodwill. Low carbon reference on the y-axis, represented by Z of t, is an empirical value of a customer's expectation on environmentally friendly products. As carbon reduction increases with time, low carbon reference, or a consumer's expectation of the product, also increases. On the x-axis, we have product goodwill, represented as x of t, which is customer-brand relations as a function of time. The supply chain used a scale to turn customer reviews and brand value into numerical data. Theta, represented in the equation, is the rate of carbon reduction, which I simplified by assuming that it is always a constant of 3 based on data collected from the supply chain of a steel cable manufacturer in Tianjin, China, which the authors used to source their data. Time was also assumed to be 1 hour to graph this model simply. The graph is linear and monotonic, or always increasing, as you can see, and this shows the relationship that low carbon reference and product goodwill are dependent on each other, and as carbon reduction or low carbon reference increases, so does product goodwill. This, in turn, increases market demand, and in conclusion, this is beneficial information for companies as it helps devise an optimal carbon reduction and marketing strategy that benefits both low carbon reduction and product goodwill. This model was based on the assumptions that the company did in fact reduce carbon emissions and that this was publicized to their consumers in China.